And then if we take a look at Nvidia, which I'm putting into the thing category, so two options, the green count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're in this fifth wave right here. Maybe we get like some kind of a deep second wave and then a move higher into February. That's the green count. That's how you get up here, is that the next move lower is a 3-wave move across the board, signaling that this is a correction and we get one more swing higher up into our targets. The other option is that this was your top. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that we're going to get some kind of a double or triple top really right up in here, and we get a 5-wave move down that breaks below 430. Below 430, and the odds are really, really high that this was the top. So once again, we're kind of, we're very close to our targets. I think we're like 15% away from our targets. We took the most recent gains in Nvidia, and we've been taking lots of gains. This has been a moneymaker all year for us. We bought a lot in 2022, and we've been raising cash in it in 2023, and it still has been one of our top positions. That's how strong of a stock it's been. But as we all know, who've been doing this for a long time, strong, great companies are not always great stocks. And when you see a run like you have in Nvidia, it's statistically unlikely you're going to get the same move the following year. And so that's kind of how we'll use sentiment. We're buying when everyone's saying sell, and we're selling when everyone's saying buy. And what we're really looking to do is if we get confirmation at the top and we move down, I think, into the 200s, you're going to see us start doing big long-term buy and hold trades. And we'll probably be early, and that's okay. We just don't want to be buying 5% up here. We much rather be buying 5% down in here and just layering in if we go lower and lower and lower and lower. But we'll use our cycle analysis. This has helped us a lot in doing these big plays. Nvidia, this is what we used for anyone who followed me on the forum. When we were riding this 1-by-1 line, we were on it. The D-trend oscillator was saying we're at a major low, and we were moving down into a time factor. And I told everybody around here, I think around the 415 level, I was like, this looks like a low to me. And I think some people listened. We didn't take that buy, but I was telling everybody, anyone looking for like a quick move higher, this looks like a good setup. And it was. I mean, we just went vertically higher up into this angle right here, which has been big resistance. And what I find interesting, you see this green cycle right here. This has been one of my favorite cycles in Nvidia, and it has been around for a long time. It was at all major highs, major lows. It hasn't triggered every time, but it tends to show up at major events. And so we're trending up into it. We're hitting a major angle right here, a triple top right here. So some kind of a pullback is reasonable. If it's 3 waves and holds 430, for those that want to take that swing move higher, that's what you're looking for. We're not doing that. But if we get 5 waves down from here, then that next 3-wave retrace is going to be where you're going to see us take more gains, because that's setting up for the move below 340, in my opinion. Okay.